Now I'm presenting the introduction. The integration of digital tools has significantly transformed higher education, enhancing teaching and learning processes. Key innovations include learning platforms, analytics, and online resources, so all of which foster student engagement and improve academic performance. Learning platforms like Learning Management System (LMS) and Massive Open Online Courses, which is MOOCs, provide dynamic environment with features such as video lectures, quizzes, and forums, encouraging active participation. Research by Khan Academic 2023 highlights the effectiveness of personalized and interactive tools in improving students' outcomes. Collaborative tools such as computer-supported collaborative learning, which is CSCL, further enhance motivation and knowledge construction through online interaction. Learning analytics, which involve analyzing learner activities, plays a vital role in identifying at-risk students and offering a personalized intervention. Predictive models, as noted by Skelton 2024, help educators provide proactive guidance, improving retention rates and addressing individual needs. Access to online resources, including digital libraries and open educational resources, which is OER, democratize learning by offering diverse, tailored content. While OpenED 2023 reports that such resources enhance academic performance by improving understanding and retention through multimedia tools. So, digital tools have revolutionized higher education, promoting personalized, inclusive, and flexible learning experience while significantly improving academic outcomes. This innovation continue to shape a modern, dynamic academic environment.
Digital tools impact student academic performance. First, we explore the role of different types of learning platforms such as LMS and MOOCs in creating flexible and personalized learning environments. Next, we investigate the effect of interactivity levels during learning session, including collaborative tools and quizzes in enhancing engagement and critical thinking. We also analyze the impact of learning analytical tools, which allow educators to monitor student progress and design tailored interventions to improve outcomes. Lastly, we assess how access to online resources like digital libraries and open educational resources supports independent learning and contributes to academic success. These objectives aim to provide actionable insights for enhancing digital learning strategies in higher education.
View of the study, technological integration, online and hybrid learning. Learning platforms help deliver large-scale programs. Access to online resource makes self-directed learning easier and more accessible. Learning analytics improve educational strategies. Challenge, digital inequality limit access to device and connectivities. Relevance and significance improve academic performance and access to education. For the theoretical underpinning, learning platforms, students build knowledge through their interaction. Interactivity, interaction with content through interactive videos and quiz. Learning analytics provide insight into student progress and areas needing improvements. Access to online resource-based learning emphasizes the use of diverse, high-quality online materials.
Relationships among variables. So number one, learning platform like Moodle and Google Classroom can enhance the flexible and personalized learning to improve the academic outcomes. Number two, the interactivity fosters engagement through the gamified tools and collaborative methods can boost the retention and performance. Number three, learning analytics can provide tailored feedback and early intervention to improve the grades and also the retention rates. Number four, access to online resources such as ebook and lecture slides to ensure the equal opportunities and self-paced learning. For the 2.7 conceptual model, the model integrates these four independent variable and the dependent variable, which is student academic performance measured by the GPA test scores and skill acquisition, and also the conceptual model visuality demonstrate how these factors work together to improve the outcomes.
Then chapter 3, Research Method. This chapter will explain how we studied the link between learning tools and student performance. We used a quantitative research to gather data at one point in time to analyze this relationship. We use quantitative research to explore how learning tools affect student performance. Google Forms help to collect data and to ensure objective results. For population and sampling, we focus on UMS undergraduate student aged between 18 to 25. Stratified random sampling ensure we got a mix of participants, and 170 students took part in the study. This plot shows the relationship between effect size, statistical power, and sample size. To detect for predictor, a sample size of 129 is needed. The red curve shows the chance of detecting an effect when one exists, while the blue dash curve shows what happens if there's no effect. For 3.4, we defined target population and divided it into groups like gender and faculty, and selected participant proportionally. 129 participants required to achieve result, and our final sample is 172. For data collection, we use Google Form to collect data on demographic, learning tool, and academic performance. Ethical guidelines will follow to ensure privacy and consent. For research instrument, we use a structured questionnaire and check its reliability with Cronbach-Alpha. SPSS was used to analyze data and find patterns.
The pilot study, we have the demographic over here where it's almost balanced, where 54% is the female and 46% male respondent, but half of this whole participant is come from FPEP, which may influence the findings. And then the reliability test. All scales demonstrate excellent reliability with Cronbach-Alpha values ranging from 0.915 to 0.941, confirming the consistency of our measurement tools. We are using SPSS and SmartPLS to conduct descriptive and inferential statistic factor analysis and path analysis. This study highlights critical factors influencing academic outcomes and offer actionable insight for educators and institutions.
Chapter 4, Data Analysis and Interpretation. Overview, where the analysis uses SPSS and SmartPLS software. The survey Google consists of 172 respondents. Method study with preliminary analysis, demographic profile, and variability analysis, where the respondent were is consists 172 respondent, 54.1 is female, and 45.9% is male. While the reliability result of Converge Alpha, where the type of learning platform 0.96, where is excellent, student engagement 0.915, learning analytics 0.930, resource accessibility 0.926, academic performance 0.941. Dependent durability and internal consistency.
The mean score across variables ranged from 3.89 to 4.31, showing generally positive response, with STUD 1 having the most consistent result and STUD 2 showing more variability. High means score and lower standard deviation, like STUD 1 and SS5, indicate strong agreement and consistent. In the reflecting measure model, SS has a strong relationship with academic performance, with a PAP coefficient of 0.387, while STUD show a moderation relationship. This insight highlights key areas of agreement, variability, and methodological consideration for improving research outcomes.
Conclusion and recommendation. Overview of the chapter. This chapter discusses how learning platform, interactivity, learning analytics, and online resource affect student performance. These tools make learning more enjoyable and individualized. This technique should be integrated into educational process to increase student performance and ongoing improvement. Discussion on analysis result. Moodle and Blackboard provide accessibility and enable students manage their learning, improving academic performance, quizzes, and group work, improve critical thinking. Online resource enhance self-direct learning and academic success. Discussion on hypothesis testing. Hypothesis shows that learning platform, interactivity, analytics, and online resource improve academic success. This comes.
In conclusion, this study highlights the transformative role of digital tools in enhancing academic performance in higher education. Learning platforms, interactivity, learning analytics, and access to online resources collectively contribute to creating personalized, flexible, and engaging environment that drive better outcomes for students. However, it also brings to challenges such as accessibility disparities, digital literacy gaps, and ethical concerns surrounding data privacy and the use of learning analytics. The study findings have significant implications for educators, businesses, and policymakers. Despite its contribution, the study acknowledged limitations such as reliance on self-reported data, a cross-sectional research design, and a focus limited to undergraduate students. Future research should address these gaps by exploring diverse of educational contexts and technologies.